Hello my dear students, I am your English teacher Ishwari from St. Anthony's Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Sakote. Now we are going to see 4th standard English Unit 2 My Hobbies. Last class we saw the poem Treasure Trove. Now we are going to see the grammar part. Let us know. Now we are going to see the tense formation. Already you know the three types of tense you know very well: present tense, past tense and future tense. The present tense having four types of tenses, past tense having 4 types of tenses, future tense having 4 types of tenses. Totally 12 tenses we having in our language. Now we are going to see simple present tense. What is my simple present tense? The actions happening now. It's called a simple present tense. And we want to be saying the universal truth and their habits. We want to be using the present tense formation. Okay, look at this: present tense, past tense, past participle and the present participle. Past participle is a third form of verb. For example, go, went, gone. Okay, wow. Now we can see we want to be take one action word give. So the present verbs is give, gives. The present verbs are give, gives. The past verb give changed to gave. Did plus give, gave. The past participle is given. Next, the present participle is giving. The next classes we want to be see the past participle and the present participle. Now we can see only the simple present tense. Okay, wow. The present form is used in simple present tense. Okay, we want to be use the present form in the simple present tense. The actions happening now and also the universal truth, the general talk, the general truths and the habits we want to be say using the present tense. Okay, you know the pronouns I, we, you, they. So he, she, it also the pronouns. 7 pronouns you know: I, myself, you, yourself, they, themselves, we, ourselves, he, himself, she, we want to be mention on girl, herself, it, itself. Okay, wow. So we want first we can focus the pronoun, then we want to be use the verbs after the nouns and the pronouns. Okay, wow. First beginning of the sentence we want to be use the noun and the pronoun. After the noun and pronoun we want to be use the verb. Okay, wow. Verb means action words. So for I, we, you and they we want to be use the present form is used. The verb is not changed. We want to be use the verb in the present form only. Okay, wow. Give means we can use give only. I give, you give, we give, they give, not changes. But the pronoun for he, she, it, third person singular, he, she, it, we want to be use the verb add yes. Give plus yes, gives. So this is the give we want to be use I, you, we, they. These pronouns having the beginning of the place means we want to use the action word in the present form give. Gives he, she, it. The pronouns appear in the he, she, it means we want to be use the present verb gives. Add yes at the end of the word. Okay, wow. So we want to be take on action word give. How do you write this action word in the present form? I give, you give, we give, they give. I give a pen for my friend. You give a pen for your friend. We give a pen for our friend. They give a pen for their friend. Okay, wow. Next one. He, she, it only. The give changed to gives. The third person singular. Third person singular only. We want to be use verb plus yes. Action word plus yes. Give plus yes. Gives. Okay. Understand, students? Next. The action words. How do we use the verbs in the present form? First, you can focus the pronoun and the noun. So the first one sentence, I dash to shop. I is a first person singular. So you want to be use the present form in the present tense. Present form only, not change the verb. I go to shop. Then we speak English in our class. We speak English in our class. Then you run very fast. You run very fast. Then they play cricket. They play cricket. The words not changed in the present form. The words given the same sound, same place. Okay, I go, we speak, you run, they play. Okay, go to next. He, she, it only. We want to be add s or es at the end of the word. Already I told you the third person singular only. We want to be add verb plus s. He goes to shop. She speaks English in her class. It runs very fast. Okay, go to next exercise. I given for some exercises. You want to be filled up in the dashes. Give the correct verb form for following sentences. I dash to school. You want to be take, then go verb, go action word. Go action word. I go or I goes. Yes, I go. Don't add yes. He, she, only we want to be add yes or es. Okay, one thing. You dash to school. You go. Go to next. We dash to school. We go. Then this pronoun is he. So you want to be add es. He goes. He goes to school. Then it also third person singular. So it goes to school. Then she also third person singular. She goes to school. Then they, plural form. They dash to school. They go to school. So I, you, we, they only. We want to be use the simple present verb in the present tense. But he, she, it, third person singular, we want to be use the present tense verb plus s or es. So, my dear students, you want to be understand this very well. In that we want to be use the present tense for action words. We can see we want to be use the present tense for action words. Action words. Action words la eppadi present tense use பண்றது அப்படி நம்ம பார்த்தோம். Next we will see the present tense for be verbs, be form of verb. Okay, action words ku present tense use பண்றது write பண்ணிட்டோம். Then be form of verb. What are they? What are they? Be form of verbs are am, is, are. Am, is, are. This is the present be form of verbs. Am, is, are. The past be form of verbs is changed to was or changed to were. Okay, next the past participle. The past participle be form of verbs are being. Next the present participle be form of verb is being. Okay, next am is used for I. The pronoun is I means constantly you want to be write the be form of verb am. Okay, next the plural form. You know the plural form. You know the plural pronouns. What are they? I, we, you, they. These are the plural pronouns. We want to be use the be form of verb are. This is constantly we want to be use the be form of verb I, we, you, they. We can use the be form of verb are. Then he, she, it. He, she, it. We want to be use the be form of verb is. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a bird. Okay, wow. Then I am. We are. You are. They are. I am a student. We are students. You are a boy. They are boys. Okay. So the be form of verb I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Next, am is used for I. The pronoun is I means we want to be used the be form of verb am. That is not change. Okay, ma'am. Next, are is used for we, you, and they. We are, you are, they are. Then is used for he, she, it. The third person singular we want to be used the be form of verb is. Okay. I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. We want to be seeing the example sentences in the be form of verb. I am a student. I am a student. We are students. We are students. We is a plural form. So, we are students. You are a student. You are a student. They are students. They are students. Then he, she, it. We want to be use I. He is a student. He is a student. She is a student. She is a student. It is a book. It is a book. Okay. Next I give the exercise for you. You want to be do it. Give the correct verb form for following sentences. I dash a doctor. The pronoun is I means want to be right. It's correct. Am. I am. I am a doctor. Okay. Next we dash police. Are. A-R-E, we are police. Super. Then, you dash an engineer. Yes, you are, be form of verb, you are an engineer. Then, he dash a carpenter. He is a third person singular. So, he is a carpenter. Then, it dash a car. It is a car. Then, they dash football players. They are football players. She dash a driver. She is a driver. So the be form of verbs are am, is, are. Am is are. I means you want to be right am. He, she, it. We can use the be form of verb is. We, you, they. We can use the be form of verb are. So already I told you. The action words we want to be use the present tense. I, you, we, they. The verb is not changed. You want to be write the same verb. Okay, I give, you give, we give, they give. Third person singular only. We want to be use the verb plus yes. Verb plus yes or es. Okay, he, she, it. He gives, she gives, it gives. So my dear students, in all the exercises, you want to be doing your homework. You want to be writing 2 times. Thank you, students.